Are you a professional looking for better lifestyle, more freedom, and family security? If the answer is yes, then this video is for you. Now you can build your own customized financial plan. All wealthy people use investment to create wealth. They don't just dream about success, they build it step by step. Your journey to financial freedom begins the moment you decide to take control and make your money work for you. You must be thinking to create millions in wealth. Every great fortune starts with a single bold decision to take action. Believe in your vision because consistent effort today shapes extraordinary success tomorrow. You should start wealth creation to improve your lifestyle. Every small steps towards financial growth plants the seed for a future of freedom and fulfillment. Taking control of your wealth today empowers you to live the life you have always dreamed of tomorrow. Start wealth creation to protect your family because true security isn't in what you earn today, but in what you build for tomorrow. Let your money work as hard as you do so your loved ones always live with confidence and dignity. To start wealth creation to achieve more freedom in your life, make your money work for you, not the other way around. Every small financial step today brings you closer to the life you truly deserve tomorrow. Many wealthy people invest in life insurance because they understand that true wealth isn't just about earning, it's about protecting and multiplying what you have earned. Smart investors don't wait for uncertainty, they plan it with strategies that secure their family and legacy. Others invest in mutual funds. You can invest in your future freedom, one goal at a time, because wealth isn't built overnight. It's built by those who start today and stay consistent. If you want to create wealth, don't you think it's a good decision to connect to your financial consultant? A right financial consultant helps you to turn your income into lasting wealth because wealth is not built by chance but by choice and clear financial strategy. You too can create a financial strategy for yourself. Take control of your future. The best time to plan your financial freedom is now. That begins with a single smart decision. If millions of people are growing wealth, you can too. They all started with a single decision to take control of their future. Your journey to financial freedom begins the moment you choose to start. Start your own customized financial strategy today. Take control of your financial future with a plan tailored just for you. Unlock the potential to grow, protect, and enjoy your wealth. Every smart decision you make today creates the foundation for a lifetime of financial freedom and peace of mind. See your wealth skyrocket. Turn smart decision into lasting freedom. Your financial future starts with the choice you make today. Hi, my name is Ranjit Chaudhary. I'm a financial fitness coach and the founder of Rudra Solution. I'm also the author of Amazon bestseller Rewiring Wealth. My mission is to help 1 lakh professionals create multiple sources of wealth without compromising on their current lifestyle. If you are someone serious about your financial future, then reach out to me. Thank you for watching the video. Wish you all the best in life and bye bye.